Okay, Vibe Tribe, here's my anchor caddy that I just made. It's a 4-inch piece of drain line I got from Home Depot. And then just got a perforated cap I just put on the bottom of that. Of course, I had to team smoke color it so it doesn't look so much like a drain line, I guess. And then I just wire tied it here to my rocket launchers. It seems to hold well. I don't think there'll be any issues out of that. I've just got a giant bolt for an anchor, but I think any kayak anchor is going to fit in there. That's a 4-inch drain line. So while I was at it, I redid my whole anchor line setup. So I got the purple and gold going. Go Tigers! I got a marine rated clip here. Goes on my anchor trolley, so it's a quick disconnect, come on and off. And then I got this reel from Walmart. Costs like $4 or something, dirt cheap, but both handles spin, so you can wind that line up really easy, let it in and out. And then I got another marine clip there. If you run the line through it, it's not going to come out. It's going to hold the anchor, but then you just take the line out of the clip to rewind it back up, so it keeps everything nice and compact. That's 75 feet of line, so should be plenty to anchor anywhere that I want to anchor. You can see I've got one float on there. It does float, but with both those two heavy-duty marine clips that are heavy, so I like it to float a little better. So I left a space. I'm gonna put another float on that. But that is the anchor line and the anchor caddy DIY style. Team Smoke.